When somebody comes into your office, into your store, whatever they're doing, okay, you should get their information, get their address, get their email, get their phone numbers. If it's an individual, don't be afraid to get a driver's license. When I go to the doctor's office, they usually copy my insurance card and my driver's license. There's a picture on that license. Find out who you're dealing with, okay? Is it a corporation? Is it an LLC? Is it an Inc.? Is it a CO? Is it a PA? Is it a PC? Do they go under a trade name? The New York Mets are not the New York Mets. If you sue the New York Mets, you're suing nothing. Okay, they are the New York Metropolitan Baseball Club, Inc. Okay, the Mets are just a trade name. And you'd be surprised. People are sly. They know how to do it. You'll get a check, and it'll be not the name that they're actually doing business under. And that's very important to find out what their corporate status, if they're an individual, if they're not an individual. What I'm going to say next is very controversial. If you can, you should do it. Get a social security number. The reason I say this is to get what we call a default judgment against somebody. If somebody ignores your complaint and doesn't file a response, you get an automatic judgment from the court, and I'll explain what a judgment is in a few minutes. In order to get that judgment, there's something called the Soldiers and Sailors Act, which means that you cannot get a default judgment against somebody who is in the active military. The way I know, it makes sense because the person may be overseas fighting and may not be able to defend that lawsuit.